Tiny Beast Mode. This mini PC packs more power than your ex's gaming rig and makes less noise. Say hello to the Beelink SER8, a pocket-sized powerhouse that makes most full towers weep in silence. Powered by the beastly AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS, up to 4.9 GHz, 8 cores/16 threads, this mini monster stomps out the 6900HX by 13%, all while sipping power and whispering like a ninja. Whether you're deep into LOL, Dota 2, or PUBG marathons, or juggling 400 Chrome tabs like a digital acrobat, this mini PC handles it like a champ. It's not just for gamers either, think business zoomer, creative hustler, or weekend Netflix binger. This ain't just a computer. It's a lifestyle upgrade in a 4x4 frame. Loaded with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz, yes, that's Formula 1 speed for memory, expandable up to 256 GB, and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD that boots before you blink, this machine doesn't process, it teleports. Need more storage? Expand to 8 TB and hoard all the memes, 4K videos, and CAD files your heart desires. Say goodbye to that prehistoric lag during Adobe Premiere exports or CAD rendering. This bad boy is built for brutal workloads and silky-smooth multitasking. You'll save more time than a drive-thru espresso run. Plus, DDR5 RAM means less energy, more speed. Who says brains can't come in small packages? Hook up not one, not two, but 3 4K monitors and feel like a stock trader meets video editor meets digital god. With HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4, and rear USB-C, yes, it supports USB 4 at 40 gigabits per second, no cap, you'll be swimming in pixels smoother than a buttered-up dolphin. AMD Radeon 7 80M 12-core integrated graphics ensures buttery visuals even during high-octane games or cinematic editing. Designers, editors, coders, and gamers, brace for high-def immersion and serious workflow blow-ups. This isn't just screen real estate. It's a productivity kingdom. This isn't your grandma's dusty desktop. The SER8 is future-proofed with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN port that uploads faster than gossip spreads in group chats. Need ports? It's practically raining them: USB 4, USB-C, USB 3.2, USB 2.0, HDMI, DP, dual audio jacks, and more. Whether you're running a live stream setup, connecting all your gadgets, or editing while your external GPU's purring, this rig handles the chaos with elegance. It's the Swiss Army knife of mini PCs, just way sexier and less likely to get lost in a drawer. With an advanced MSC 2.0 vapor chamber cooling system, etched dustproof mesh, and whisper quiet fan design, the SER8 stays cool under pressure, just like you, on a good day. It's compact, efficient, and won't disturb your flow, whether you're gaming at night or grinding that spreadsheet deadline. Built like a tank and dressed like a supermodel, this machine isn't just high performance, it's high durability. No weird overheating drama, no annoying whines, just pure zen performance. For its price point? It's basically stealing. Tech tested, gamer approved, road trip ready. It's not just worth it, it's worth bragging about. Wanna drop jaws at your next LAN party or home office reveal? The Beelink SER8 mini PC isn't playing games, unless you are.